Here's the way it works. Patty and I never get older. However, Louie is a little bit older than when I first met you a couple of years ago. And it's a little tougher for Louie to get around now when I first met him.
Well, dogs, their life goes by so quickly.
Right.
The animals, their lifespan is different than ours, and I'm seeing him age. One other thing that's going on is he's having some back problems and some hip problems, especially because he's a large breed. So we're trying something at Noah's called laser therapy, and we'll take you there. Noah's Animal Hospitals seem to be everywhere. There are 7 in Indiana, where their motto is, the best friend of your best friend. On this day, I took my best friend, Louie, to the Geist Caring Hands location. They have something here which might help my old boy feel better. Louie's hips and back are giving out on him, common for larger dogs and especially this breed. And I want to do all I can to help him have the best quality of life. So I decided, along with some medications for arthritis, to try something different. Noah's at Geist is one of the few places that offer laser therapy.
Today we did laser therapy on Louie, okay, a therapeutic low-watt laser. Sometimes it's called cold laser or photomodulation, and it's a really neat process that can accelerate and speed healing. So many people don't like the toxic effects or side effects of drugs, and as dogs get older, a lot of times they lose the ability to really get rid of a lot of the drugs, or it slows down things, just like with us people. And so this is a very non-invasive way to do something and relieve their pain.
Dr. Karen Roach is administering the laser. It's not painful in any way, and it might help Louie feel better and get around better.
We want to keep treating him until we start seeing noticeable results. And so about 2 to 3 times a week, he's going to come back and he's going to get these therapy sessions. And then once you start seeing, the owner, start seeing something better at home, not limping as much, easier to get up, taking the stairs up and down better, then we can start cutting that back to once every couple weeks or even once a month. And as far as cost-wise, a single session usually runs somewhere between $45 and $60. It depends on how big of an area. You saw how Dr. Roach was going up and down his spine. That's a little bit more pricey than a single area. We sometimes will do wounds, like we talked about abscesses. Those might run only $15 or $25 because they only take 2 or 3 minutes.
After about 45 minutes, Louie is done. As you can see, he liked it, and liked Dr. Roach quite a lot too. Seems he's giving her a nice tip and a thank you to Noah's Animal Hospital's Caring Hands at Geist.